In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and display a terms and conditions page on your Wix website. This is an essential step in ensuring transparency and protecting your website legally, so let's dive right in. First, let's talk about preparing your terms and conditions text. You'll want to create a comprehensive document that outlines all the necessary terms relevant to your website or business. If you're unsure about how to structure this document, there are many online generators available that can help you draft a standard set of terms and conditions. Alternatively, many businesses choose to write their own to ensure they cover specific needs. Once you have your text prepared, make sure to save it in a format that's easily accessible. You could place it in a Google Doc, a Word document, or if you prefer, directly within your Wix editor. With your terms and conditions in hand, the next step is to create a dedicated page on your Wix website. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your site in the editor. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the Menus and Pages option. Here, you'll want to add a new page by clicking the plus Add Page button. Name this page Terms and Conditions to ensure it's clear to your visitors. Once the page is created, open the page editor and paste your text into it. Pay attention to the styling of your document. Use headings for different sections and adjust the spacing to make the text easy to read. After you're satisfied with the layout and design, go ahead and click Publish to make your page live on your website. Now that your page is live, it's important to link it so visitors can easily find and reference it, whether they're exploring your site or completing actions like purchases. First, let's add a link to your site's footer, which is where users typically expect to find terms and conditions links. Head over to your site's footer section in the editor and add a text element. Label this text element Terms and Conditions. Highlight the text, click the link button, choose Page, and then select your newly created Terms and Conditions page. This creates a seamless path for your visitors to find the information they need. For the final part, linking from forms or checkout pages is incredibly important, especially if you're running an e-commerce site. Open the settings for any forms or checkout sections on your website. You'll want to add a checkbox option with a statement such as, I agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure the words terms and conditions are linked to your dedicated page so anyone completing the form has easy access to read the terms they're agreeing to. Following these steps ensures that your website is transparent and legally sound, giving users the necessary information they need while protecting your business interests. Thanks for watching and happy website building.